In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show storage capacity in Yahoo Mail. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along without any guesswork. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your computer. In the address bar at the very top, type yahoo.com and press enter. This takes you to the Yahoo homepage. Once the page loads, move your cursor to the upper right corner and look for the sign in option. Click it. If your account appears as an existing option, select it to continue. If not, enter your Yahoo account details and proceed to sign in. You might be prompted to verify your identity. Just follow the on-screen instructions and give it a moment to complete the sign-in process. If the page seems to pause, that's normal. Let it finish loading. After you're signed in, you'll return to Yahoo's main page. Again, in the upper right corner, look for the Mail link and click it. This opens Yahoo Mail in a new view. Inside Yahoo Mail, head to the top right corner of the mailbox and find the gear icon, which represents settings. Click the gear to open the settings panel. From there, choose More Settings. It typically appears toward the bottom of that panel and opens a full settings page in the same tab. On the More Settings page, glance down to the lower left area of the screen. That's where Yahoo displays your storage information. You'll usually see a usage bar or a line showing how much space you've used and how much remains. This is the quickest way to confirm your current storage capacity and monitor whether you're getting close to the limit. If you don't immediately see the storage indicator, give the page a second to finish loading or refresh the tab and reopen More Settings. Also, make sure you're on a desktop browser as layouts can differ on mobile devices and apps. A few quick tips to keep things running smoothly. Storage readings may not update instantly after you delete messages, so allow a little time for the numbers to refresh. Clearing out trash and spam can free space more reliably since items in those folders still count until they're permanently removed. Large attachments and old newsletters can add up, so consider periodically reviewing those, especially if you notice your usage creeping up. That's all you need to view your storage capacity in Yahoo Mail. Open Yahoo, sign in, go to Mail,